Are you looking for real ways to earn money online from home? Maybe you don't have a job, or you want extra income. In this video, I will show you the top 5 simple ways to start making money online using just your phone or laptop. No experience needed. Let's get started. Some of these methods can start making you money in just a few days, and one of them can even become a full-time income if you stay consistent. Make sure you watch until the end. Method number 1 is freelancing. Freelancing means working online for clients, doing simple tasks, and getting paid. You can write text, design simple posts, edit videos, or translate languages. Many beginners start with no skills and learn while working. Start small, maybe simple typing jobs, then grow step by step. The more you practice, the more money you can earn. Method number 2 is content creation. You can create videos on YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. You don't need to show your face. You can use AI voice and videos just like this one. Choose a topic: motivation, school life, or money tips. Post consistently, and your audience will grow. After that, you can earn money from views, ads, and promotions. Method number 3 is affiliate marketing. This means you promote products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Example, you share a product link on social media. If someone buys, you earn money. This is very powerful because you can earn even while sleeping. Method number 4 is selling digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, courses, or templates. You create it once and sell it many times. For example, you can create a simple guide like how to make money online, then sell it again and again. This is called passive income. Method number 5 is using AI tools. Today, I can help you create videos, write scripts, and edit content. You can use tools like CapCut to create videos easily. This saves time and helps you create more content faster. Now listen carefully. This is very important. You don't need to try all methods at once. Pick one method, focus on it, and stay consistent. At first, it may be slow, but if you don't give up, you will see results. Making money online is possible, but it takes time and effort. Start today. Even small steps matter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.